Camping is our happy place. Embarking on a hybrid RV camping adventure is an exciting way to explore the great outdoors and create lasting memories with your loved ones. However, the cost of camping gear, campground fees, and other expenses can add up quickly. Fortunately, there are plenty of tricks and hacks to help you save money and make your RV camping adventure more budget-friendly. In this article, we'll share some valuable tips to help you save money on your next hybrid RV camping adventure. 1. Plan ahead and research campgrounds. Planning ahead is key to saving money on your RV camping trip. Research campgrounds in advance and look for affordable options that offer the amenities you need. Consider staying at state or national park campgrounds, which tend to be more budget-friendly compared to private campgrounds. Many campgrounds offer discounted rates for longer stays, so consider extending your trip to take advantage of these deals. 2. Travel during off-peak seasons. Camping during off-peak seasons can significantly reduce campground fees. Peak seasons often coincide with school vacations and holidays, when campgrounds tend to be more crowded and expensive. By planning your trip during less busy periods, you can enjoy quieter campgrounds and take advantage of lower rates. 3. Pack your own food. One of the biggest expenses during an RV camping trip is dining out. Save money by packing your own food and cooking meals at your campsite. Plan your meals in advance, make a shopping list, and stock up on groceries before you hit the road. Opt for simple, budget-friendly meals that can be prepared easily in your RV's kitchen. Don't forget to pack snacks and drinks to keep everyone satisfied during the journey. 4. Utilize free or low-cost activities. Explore free or low-cost activities available at your camping destination. Many state and national parks offer hiking trails, nature walks, and scenic viewpoints at no extra cost. Take advantage of these opportunities to enjoy the beauty of nature without breaking the bank. Look for nearby lakes or rivers where you can swim or go fishing, rent kayaks or paddleboards for a fun water adventure, or simply relax by the campfire and enjoy quality time with your family. 5. Use discount memberships and passes. Consider purchasing discount memberships or passes that offer savings on camping fees and other amenities. For example, an annual pass to national parks can give you access to various parks across the country at a discounted rate. Look for other discount programs like Good Sam Club or Passport America, which offer reduced rates at participating campgrounds. 6. Embrace DIY and repurposing. Instead of buying expensive camping gear and accessories, consider DIY projects and repurposing items you already have. Make your own camping essentials like fire starters, campfire cooking utensils, or outdoor games. Repurpose items from home, such as storage bins, for organizing your RV and camping gear. Get creative and save money by using what you already have instead of buying new items. 7. Stay mindful of fuel costs. RVs can make your tow vehicle fuel thirsty, so it's important to stay mindful of fuel costs. Plan your routes efficiently to minimize driving distance and take advantage of fuel rewards programs or apps that help you find the cheapest gas prices along your route. Consider using fuel-efficient driving techniques such as maintaining a steady speed and avoiding excessive idling. By implementing these money-saving tricks and hacks, you can enjoy a memorable hybrid RV camping adventure without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not just about saving money but also embracing the simplicity of outdoor living and creating lifelong memories with your loved ones. Happy camping! Stay happy and enjoy the journey.